So we all had this problem where you have a door and the door won't stay open. It's just as simple as a door check. So I'll show you on the other side. So I fixed this door check yesterday. 2010 Nissan Maxima. Simple fix. Try and do it without any cuts. Try and do it in like 15 to 25 minutes. Let's move to the other side and let's knock it out real quick. We'll be doing this with all basic hand tools. So to start off, take any kind of trim tool and you want to just pry this out. And you have a 10 mil bolt. If I had a magnetic tool, it'd already be out, but I don't have a magnetic device with me. So we'll try and pinch this out. And of course it's adding to the time of the video, which sucks right now. So I have a cut coming up shortly, but literally I got the screw out as soon as I stopped the video. All right, so got that one bolt out. Next thing you're gonna do, move over to your trim piece here. I have a flathead screwdriver, so I'm just gonna put it inside of this so I don't damage the material here. So you just wanna kind of pry underneath here. Once you get there, just work your way around. Move your way up. And you get that trim piece off. Once that trim piece is off, you wanna get this little body piece thing off here. Pretty simple deal. You have to take this piece off. You have to take this piece off in order to get the door switch to come on. So again, just take a deal here to get underneath. And got my door switch off. And inside the door switch, you have on the driver's side, there's two. On this side, there's just one. So you just pinch down here. And just pull it off. Set your door switch to the side. So inside of the door, you have another 10 mil. Take that 10 mil off. Again, doing this all hand tools. Show you that no power tools are necessary. If you have power tools, obviously this will speed up the process. And I will conduct this video in chapters so you can skip past the parts you don't want to see. Next, in here, you have another 10 mil. See if you can focus and see that 10 mil bolt that's inside there. If you can't, don't worry about it. It's a simple 10 mil. Just unscrew that. You have a magnetic device. If not, just stick your little screwdriver in and just fish it on out. And then from there, you want to just kind of pry and prop open your light. All right, then you want to just undo your light switch. Just a little push down here and just pull out. All right, set your cover aside. You just want to reach under here, and it's just be a quick just pop it all around. Pops, and you'll lift up on your door. Lift up on the door panel. And once you're inside of the door panel, go ahead and just undo, get that out, pop that. And your door panel's off. Go ahead and just set that to the side. So keep it safe. I just want to set mine in the trunk to not. So next thing you want to do is you need to take off the bolts for the speaker. Again, just a 10 mil. Quickly take those off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, once you have 4 all fall off, just peel off your, you have to rest this on your knee, and then you take, I got my 10 mil with extension. Unbolt the, so I'm going to try and maybe kind of wedge this in here. All right, so I have my hands free. And unbolt the old door check. Move to my smaller 10 mil. Move to my smaller 10 mil to get the last 2 bolts. Reach in and hold your door check if you can. So I try and get this off. Reach in. Door check out. All right, you can see it's a lot of play in this door check, and you can see the new door check has no play at all. A ton of play, no play. All right, just quickly get it back to being reinstalled. As you can see, it says FR right there for front right. If I was installing it on the other side, it'll look like this, and come a little bit closer and you can see where it says FL. If I was installing on the driver's side, FR for this side. Get started by hand here first. I have a cut coming up shortly in the video. Do not tighten up this bolt to the body. Just get it started so you can manipulate the door check from the inside to align the two screws that you have to put into the door check that you'll see here. While I'm having an issue, I'm struggling to get it aligned because it's just too tight to the body. Don't do that. I think it took me a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes at the most off screen. That's why I had to do a cut. So I will do a cut in the video just for 1 second. And all right, I think we're on there tight enough. All right, reinstall your speaker. So you see here, there's a little thing there. Should be one on this side too. You get those lined up and you get your speaker right where it needs to be. Kind of get these started. Not a lot of effort to get these strip, but all right, so what we'll do is, before we put the door back together, we'll go ahead and test the functionality. We can simply do it. As you can see, it doesn't immediately stays open, has its points, and it will close without issue. So we'll go ahead and get the door panel back on. So first thing we want to do is let's get our little clips back in here. So trying to do this with my left hand. those in. The next thing we'll do is we'll snake for the light. Make sure we snake it through. Snake it through the hole here. Make sure that's through there. Come up top. Make sure your door panel switch is through. And you just gotta line everything up. Sitting the door panel back like that. Heard it click in. All right, let's make sure we get our door light fish through. Got our door light fish through, and we can just simply click everything back into place. Just that simple. Grab our light, get our light back reinstalled. Light reinstalled. Give me a second to clip that back in. We'll go ahead and put our screw back in here. Screw back installed here. Just hand tight, nothing too crazy. Get our screw down in here. We got that installed. Let's install our third and final screw. Yep, just hand tight. A cut here, the phone was overheating. All right, so you finish off with your cover. Have that click in. Grab your door switch. And come around. Go ahead and reinstall your door switch. Pretty simple. Get it down in there. Once you got your door switch installed, grab your little trim tool. Just get that back in there. Grab your trim piece. And just click your trim piece on in. And so just one last functional check. Remember earlier in the video, the door would just stay open. It was automatically closing. Now you hinge it there. Hinge it a little wide open. And that's how you install a door check on a 2010 Nissan Maxima S. Thanks for watching.